All right, here we go. One box of 2014 Leaf Trinity football for imacrackr Matt. Good luck. Buena suerte. Thank you again for Saturday. It was so much fun, dude. We had a blast. Oh no, thank you. All right. You can see it up there. All right. Let me get a dummy card because you cannot see it. All right, first autograph is Jacob Lindgren. Pure. Oh, it's not focused. It's not focused. There we go. Jacob Lindgren. Not numbered on the Jacob Lindgren. And we've got some kind of jumbo patch autograph of Luis Ortiz. Not numbered. Luis Ortiz. 1, 2, 3. Jumbo Butch. Next, we got another pure. 39/40. Bo Burrows. Bo Burros. And not numbered, Sean Newcomb, Hartford Hawks, 2012 through 2014. This is the Angel guy, right? The Angel kid? Yep. 2.5 mil contract with the Los Angeles AL. Nice. Next one's not bad. But this is the other Los Angeles team right here. Grant Holmes, 3/5. Grant Holmes. Not bad. The Dodger. Grant Holmes. Nice little box. Nice. Thank you, Matt.